Indira Gandhi Hillflower School in Moongkot, Chepu Village, Ukhrul District, PIN 795145. Admissions are open for the academic session 2025-2026. Admissions are now open for preparatory to Class 10. Don't miss the opportunity to enroll your child and take advantage of the following benefits: 25% concession for the school toppers of 2024, free admission for the school topper of 2024, an ideal learning environment with skilled and experienced teachers, and 50% admission concession for internally displaced students. Admission dates are for new students from 6th January 2025 to 2nd February 2025, and for returning students from 27th January to 2nd February 2025. Classes begin on 3rd February 2025. For more details, contact the principal of Ighfs at 931-593-2097 or email us at ighfs123@gmail.com. Hurry and secure your child's future with us.